lining up to see her. She's the Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
The term permutation refers to a mathematical calculation of the number of ways a particular set can be arranged.
Example 1. In how many different ways can we arrange 4 blocks on a shelf from a group of 9? Formula. In PR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. N is equal to 9 and r is equal to 4. Is equal to 9 factorial is over 9 minus 4 factorial is equal to 9 factorial over 5 factorial. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 and is equal to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial is equal to 3024.
Example 2. Find the number of ways a family of 8 can be seated around a circular table with 8 chairs. Solution. Let n is equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 5,004.
Example 3. Steven bought 8 marble Funko Pops. In how many ways can he place his Funko Pops if only 5 out of the 8 marble Funko Pops can be arranged on his shelf? So here's our solution. NPR is equal n factorial over n minus r factorial is equal 8 factorial over 8 minus 5 factorial is equal 8 factorial 8 minus 5 factorial is equal to 3 factorial is equal 8 times 7 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial. So we are going to eliminate 3. So 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 na lang. So equal to 6,720 ways.
Example 4. An arrangement of all or parts of a set of objects with regards to the order of block arrangement 7B4. This is the formula. NPR equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. 7B4 equals 7 factorial over 7 minus 4 factorial equals 7 factorial over 7 minus 4 factorial equals 3 factorial equals 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 over 3 factorial. We can eliminate that. Equals 840.
Example 5. In how many ways can 5 people be seated around a circular table? Formula. P is equal to n minus 1 factorial is equal to 5 minus 1 factorial is equal to 4 factorial. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 factorial. 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24.
A combination is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items where the order of the selection does not matter.
Example 1. In how many ways can you choose 2 desserts from a menu of 5? Formula. C in R is equal to n factorial over R factorial n minus R factorial is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial 5 minus 2 factorial is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial and 3 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. Eliminate 3 to 1 is equal to 20 over 2 is equal to 10.
Sample 2. In how many ways can a committee consisting of 4 members be formed from 8 people? Solution. Let n is equal to 8 people. R is equal to 4 members. 8C4 is equal to 8 factorial over 4 factorial. 8 minus 4 factorial is equal to 8 factorial over 4 factorial and 4 factorial is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 4 factorial is equal to 1,680 over 24 is equal to 70. Sample 3. In how many ways can a committee consisting of 3 members be formed from 6 people? Solution. C in R is equal to 10 factorial over R factorial in minus R factorial is equal to 6 factorial over 3 factorial. 6 minus 3 factorial is equal to 6 factorial over 3 factorial over 3 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. Eliminate 3 to 1 is equal to 120 over 6 is equal to 20. Sample 4. In how many ways can a committee of 4 people be chosen from a group of 10 people? Solution. In CR is equal to n factorial over r factorial in minus r factorial. 10C4 is equal to 10 factorial over 4 factorial 10 minus 4 factorial is equal to 10 factorial over 4 factorial and 6 factorial is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Eliminate 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 5 times 1. 40 over 24 is equal to 210. Example 5. A selection which is made from a group of items when order is not important. 8C5. Solution. NCR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. R factorial is equal to 8 factorial over 8 minus 5 factorial. 5 factorial is equal to 8 factorial over 3 factorial. 5 factorial is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 3 times 2 times 1 times 5 factorial. Eliminate 5 is equal to 336 over 6 is equal to 56.